Okay, so I want you to get extremely excited about one of my all-time favorite. I have a lot of favorite plugins, but this is probably my most favorite of favorite, and it's called Thirsty Affiliates. It's a premium version you'll have access to in my Turnkey system. Now, I mentioned this briefly in my previous video, but long before the internet, one of the greatest marketing tools out there was a newsletter because it was just packed full of information. I wasn't trying to sell you anything. I'm providing information on maybe the best muffler for your car or trips to Hawaii, et cetera, et cetera. So information is key. Now, as great as banner ads and display ads can be for engaging people, it doesn't really compare to putting a hyperlink inside of your text description of whatever that is. Now, based on my feedback and information, the more detailed you can get with your description, the better it is, which is a little bit of grunt work on your end. But let me share with you an opportunity, and I do have Becky's permission to go to her website and make a slight change. So I'm going to share with you how simple it is to monetize your WordPress site using your premium version and you'll have access to of Thirsty Affiliates. So watch this. So here on my Becky's site, and she has things for watching Gordon Ramsay's quick and simple recipe, yada, 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 yada. Now, this could have been 5-6 paragraphs, but what is Becky missing? She's missing the opportunity to hyperlink this to a Gordon Ramsay product. Well, it just happens to be that Gordon Ramsay does have products on Amazon. Now, I'm logged into my Amazon account, so this is not Becky's account. I'm just sharing with you a concept. So I can put in here Gordon Ramsay cooking stuff, Gordon Ramsay recipes, Gordon Ramsay cookware, et cetera, but I'm just typing in the word Gordon Ramsay. So I just want you to pay attention to this for a second, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the word Gordon Ramsay and I'm going to copy that. I'm now going to go into the back end of your WordPress site, in this particular case, Becky's site, and I'm going to go to Thirsty Affiliates and I'm going to make a new affiliate link. It's really this simple. Now, the cool thing about this is once it's set up for the first time, it will be an autopilot forever. So the title of this link is simply going to be Gordon Ramsay. Now, if you want to be more specific, Gordon Ramsay cookware, Gordon Ramsay books, Gordon Ramsay food, whatever, I'm just going to keep this simple. Now, I can come over here and create a category, but again, this is Becky's site. I don't want to go into big detail on this, okay? Now, I do want this to open up inside of a separate window, which means when somebody goes to Amazon, I want to keep my website there or your website there as they go off to Amazon. Okay, now, for keywords, I simply want to auto-link the word Gordon Ramsay. I'm going to type in Gordon Ramsay and hit the tab key. Now, again, I can have Gordon Ramsay cookbooks. I'm just being very generic here to understand the concept. And I want to limit the amount of keywords in a particular post to maybe 2. Okay? You want to put inside the headline 2? Okay, yes. You want to randomly place it? Totally up to you. Each one can be different. Yes, randomly place it. Now, where do I want a person to go? Now, keep in mind that nothing on here is linked. I'm doing this in real time. So the word Gordon Ramsay or Gordon Ramsays, now I could basically do singular and plural. I'm just going after the singular, okay? But I don't have it going anyplace. So what I'm going to do is back inside my Amazon account. Now you're logged into your Amazon account and you're logged in as an affiliate of Amazon. So I'm going to go to text link and I'm going to go grab that text link and tie it to my store. In this particular case, I'm going to delete this when this is done because this is Becky's store. This is not my store, but I want to share with you how this is done. So I copy that link to Amazon, and now this could be a link to anything. This could be a link to your Shopify store. This is what I want you to get excited about. Thirsty Affiliates doesn't care where you're going. It could be your Shopify store, your blog, your Wix store, your whatever, any affiliate program. And I'm just going to paste it in there. Now, again, I could create a category, but I'm not going to do that. I'm simply going to go and save the link. I want to keep this simple and to the point. Okay, now that's all I did. Now, if I was to refresh this page right now, you will see that the word Gordon Ramsay is hyperlinked. Okay, now notice that I could have done Gordon Ramsay's plural as well, but I chose not to. So when somebody clicks on this, it's going to take them to Amazon to give them the opportunity to buy Gordon Ramsay information. Now, here's the cool part. Amazon, big box stores like this are the masters of upsell. I want you to get very excited about what I'm going to share with you. So say they happen to go there because of a hyperlink about Gordon Ramsay, and they do like Gordon Ramsay. But they get on Amazon, and next thing you know, they're Emerald Lagasse or they're Rachel Ray, or forget any of that. They realize they got to buy their grandmother a birthday gift. It doesn't matter. As long as your link drove them to Amazon, anything they buy, you're going to get a commission fee on that. And that is working smart. So I don't care if you got somebody to go to Amazon to buy batteries for their smoke detector. Once they're there, it's kind of like, have you ever been to the store to get bread, milk, or something? Where do they put bread and milk and consumables? At the back of the store. Why do they do that? Because they're hoping as you're traveling to your consumables, you're going to pass the stakes in the high-ticket items. Well, that's exactly how Amazon works in all programs like that. So just get them over to the affiliate program, and then once they're there, whatever they buy, you're going to capitalize on that. So at this point, what you can actually do, if you know that you're going to bring in a bunch of Gordon, actually, I had to get, my face was up there. I meant to show. It doesn't matter. You get the understanding. I meant to show the screen at that point. But what I want you to get excited about, if you know that you're going to bring in recipes or makeup videos in advance, you already know this, okay? Then you can keyword those words, whether it's makeup tutorials or how to do the smoky eye or how to prepare for a marathon. So anytime Thirsty Affiliate sees those keywords, it's automatically for you, even if the post was done 2 years ago, 5 years, it doesn't matter. Thirsty Affiliates will search out that word on your entire system and link it to wherever you want to link it to. And that, my friends, is 100% working smart, and that is earning without selling. Now, if you had to go out and buy Thirsty Affiliates or any of the software you have access to, with my Turnkey system, I have agency licenses that already paid for the software. I'm legally allowed to share it with you as an agency. So you can go out there and spend thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars on all this software, but guess what? Here's the advantage of my software is I curated things that work. I've been doing this for a long, long time. In fact, I might use a software for 3 years, and after 3 years I find, you know what? There's something better. That's the opportunity I'm going to share with you. So I have your back. I'm doing all the heavy lifting for you. This is a complete, wonderful system. And as I'm going to be building more videos to share with you my favorite software. Advanced Ads Pro is a great piece of software. Yoast Premium, all the premium software you'll have access to with a complete turnkey system. Again, full disclosure. Do you need my help to do this? Can you go out and do this yourself? Yeah, you can go buy some domain names, get a hosting plan, buy some software, and then you're kind of on your own. Why would you want to do that? I'm not talking about, selling out your kids' college funds or mortgaging your house. Do you realize at $3.95 for 5 sites, that's like 20-something cents a day? If you can't make 20 cents a day, then you should sincerely, respectfully go do something else. So again, thank you again for being here. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So take advantage of Thirsty Affiliates because it's a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. Talk to you soon.